pesos mga par. Yan, Tambay Cup. Let's go. Woo!
Salamat.
With certificate.
Napakamahal naman ng Tambay Cup na yan, guys. Dito sa akin, guys, oh. Don Power Cup or Construction Cup. Saan ka pa? Araw-araw may kita ka. Sabado ang sahod. Ganito yun, guys. Napakatibay ng cup na to. Oh, guys. Di pa ito mahulog, guys. Ito yung dapat na cup. Inupromote. Alam nyo, guys, magkano to? 1.5 lang. May freebies pa na alcohol. Deodorant, safeguard yan, guys. Plus, Huawei cellphone. Saan ka maghanap yun? Bili ka lang ng Don Power Cup or Construction Cup. Ito pa, guys. Dahil December ngayon. Chereng rice cooker.
Nice.
Guys. Freebies to pag bumili kayo ng Don Power Cup. Saan ka pa? Dito na. Mahal ang Tambay Cup.
Oh my God! Wow!
Sa akin, guys, lifetime warranty.
Yeah, boy.
Lifetime warranty. Construction Cup. Dito ka na. Tawag lang kayo, guys, kung sino gusto mag